Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to explain how you can customize the memory saver feature in the Avast browser in 2026. So let us dive into this. Start by navigating to the Avast browser. And then what you want to do, guys, is click into these three dots on the top right, scroll down, navigate to settings here. Inside your browser settings, click into performance, scroll down and enable the memory saver now. Usually it should be set to balanced on default, but you can go with moderate or maximum depending on your preferences. For example, if you go with moderate, this may have an impact on tabs that are open in your browser, and these may become inactive after a longer period of time, whereas you can decrease that period of time by choosing maximum, and that is going to inactivate or deactivate, these tabs if you're not actively on them, for example, and that way contribute to the memory saver here, right? So that's how we do it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.